Cake and bread injection machine. Urine Technology, a professional manufacturer of baking equipment, brings you a brand new cake and bread filling machine. Efficient infusion, precise filling, meeting your diverse production needs. Customizable design, multiple shapes and fillings, one-click switch, easily achievable. Various fillings such as salad dressing, custard, jam, cream filling, chocolate filling, etc. Choose freely to meet different taste requirements. The filling is rich and evenly distributed, ensuring that every bit brings a pleasant surprise. Various shapes such as circles, ellipses, squares, and hearts can be customized to meet your creative needs. Urine Technology, making baking more efficient and creating more delicious results. Easy to clean, with simple maintenance, ensuring a more efficient production without worries. Stable and reliable performance ensures continuous production and enhances your production efficiency. The operation is simple and the training is quick, allowing for easy mastery even for beginners. High efficiency injection, with an output of up to 3,000 to 4,800 pieces per hour. Stable and reliable performance ensures continuous production and enhances your production efficiency. Multiple fillings, one-click switching, meeting diverse needs. The filling is evenly distributed, the quality is stable, and it is convenient and effortless to prepare. Choose Urine, achieve efficient production, and save on labor costs. Make baking easier and increase efficiency. Choose Urine and embark on your creative baking journey. Pay attention!